Welcome to Bayombong in Nueva Vizcaya and welcome to Ancho on Foot's walking tour. This is a self-paced walking tour that features key heritage sites and cultural highlights in the area. We hope you enjoy this tour as much as we enjoyed curating it. Bayombong serves as the seat of the provincial capital of Nueva Vizcaya. The name Bayombong finds its origin in the Gadang term Bayongyong, signifying the confluence of multiple rivers. Historical accounts narrate the arrival of a tribe attempting to invade the area, leading to the outbreak of the First Tribal War. In commemoration of the Gadang's initial triumph in defending their territories, the site was renamed Bayombong. Before Spanish colonization, the Ifugaos inhabited the town, succeeded by the Gadangs from Daruyat, Angadanan, Isabela, and Amanga Cagayan, along with the Maalats from Isabela in 1718. The Gadangs compelled the Ifugaos to relocate to the province of Ifugao. In 1739, Spanish Augustinian friars officially designated the place Bayombong, later modified to Bayombong. On April 12, 1739, during the inaugural Catholic Mass celebrated in the region by Father Pedro Freire, Bayombong was formally founded at the makeshift chapel situated at the foot of Bangan Hill. Administration of Bayombong was assumed by Dominican friars as part of the Paniqui Mission Pueblo shortly after its foundation. The Pueblo census of 1747 recorded 470 residents, including esteemed founding fathers like Ramon Cabao-Atan, Jacinto Gadingan, Vicente Saking, Ignacio Abuag, Mariano Danao, Domingo Bayawa, a certain Bincatan, and a certain Mamurek, all Gadangs, whose name now grace major streets in the town. In 1754, the local government was officially organized, appointing a Capitan del Pueblo as the chief executive. By 1982, Bayombong became the seat of the newly established Diocese of Bayombong. From 1773 to 1792, Fray Juan Crespo oversaw the construction of St. Dominic's Church, the convent, the cemetery next to the church, and initiated the octagonal tower. Fray Juan Molano completed the tower in 1829. In 1880, an earthquake damaged the church, and in 1987, a fire destroyed both the church and the convent. The reconstructed cathedral was dedicated in 1989, marking the 250th anniversary of the first Catholic Mass in Bayombong. On November 28, 1899, during the Philippine-American War, General Fernando Cannon surrendered to Second Lieutenant James N. Munro's men. The surrender, including William Rinders and Orison Woodbury, captured during the Siege of Baler. In 1916, American administration initiated a farm settlement school in Bayombong, evolving into Bayombong Rural School in 1918. Father de Grace founded St. Mary's, a Catholic elementary school, in 1928. Nueva Vizcaya Rural High School, or NVRHS, emerged from Bayombong Rural School in 1930, while St. Mary's added a high school department in 1934. The Japanese occupation temporarily suspended high school operations, resuming in 1945. In 1947, St. Mary's College, now St. Mary's University, was established, and NVRHS transformed into Nueva Vizcaya General Comprehensive High School and Nueva Vizcaya National Agricultural School in 1956. The agricultural school evolved into Nueva Vizcaya Agricultural College in 1964 and later became Nueva Vizcaya State Institute of Technology in 1973, now known as Nueva Vizcaya State University. Bayombong is also notable for being the birthplace of Roy Anthony Cotaran Bennett, born in 1913, an editor of the Manila Bulletin who faced torture for his vocal opposition to the Japanese occupation of the Philippines. Another distinguished native is Edith Lopez Tiempo, celebrated as the national artist of the Philippines in 1999.